Welcome to the Viperskins installation video. We will show you how to install Viperskins on your AI rifle or chassis system. First, make sure your rifle is fully unloaded. Remove the magazine, the bolt, and check the chamber. Then unscrew the cheek rest screws and remove the cheek rest. Just slide it out. Using a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove all the fastening screws from the old AICS skins. There are 10 screws total. Once all the screws are loose, simply lift the old skins off the chassis. Now, whether you have a folding or non-folding AICS, the installation of Viperskins is still the same. One note, you must torque your barreled action on the AICS before you install your Viperskins. Now take your Viperskins and snap each one into place. They're designed to be tight-fitting to the chassis and will snap right in. Put all 4 skins in place before screwing them down. Viperskins have a contoured ergonomic shape, so their screws are different lengths to accommodate the contour. Following the instructions included in your Viperskins, drop the appropriate length screw in its designated hole. Then, using the 2.5mm hex wrench, snug them up tight. If the screws ever do come loose while shooting, feel free to use a small drop of blue Loctite to keep them snug. Next, we place the grip on. Using the included 2mm hex wrench, snug down the bolts until they're finger tight. The grips have brass threading, so there's no need for Loctite here. Then flip it over and do the other side. Our pistol grip has been tailored for the average shooter's hand. It's designed to put your finger in the correct shooting position shot after shot. We also offer an extra large replacement grip if you have very large hands. Next, slide the cheek rest back into the rear stock. Then tighten down the cheek screws. If you have purchased either our full-length or mini Picatinny rails, simply use the 2 screws provided and tighten them down until they're snug tight. Lastly, screw the thread protectors provided in your kit into any of the open rail mounting holes. This protects against dirt and dust from getting into the threading. Now you're ready to put the bolt back and take your rifle to the range. Always remember to wear eye and ear protection and shoot safe. Thank you.